You want me to start it for you? Just pull it like on the pull like this.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, now what?
Open up
Did you
the
get a box?
Open it up.
Open up the box.
Open the box up.
Ready? Okay, open up the box. A puppy. Is it stuck? There. Aw. Puppy. Good job. That makes it play music.
I think she got her favorite
Yay.
thing. It looks like she got her favorite thing.
Aw. Do you like your puppy, Kimber? I think she likes it. And Kaylee in your new outfit? Yay.
Look, it was dance.
Okay, Kaylee, Kimber. She was just gonna spin it. There you go. Twist it.
Gonna twist it 3 times. Come on, stop.